Hey guys, Sanbona, so I've been seeing across all social media platforms abantu bakhathazekile about this Pahumi Nzwelakhe issue. So what was revealed on the recent episode of Kwababa is that uPahumi is also not Mtaung since uZwelakhe engawuyena naye wakamkhize. So this could mean one thing and one thing only. In fact, it's a probability ukuthi uZwelakhe noPahumi are siblings. And what do we do in that situation? Guys, sinking in. Let us talk about this and more here on this video. But before continuing with the video, I would like to request you to like it. If you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Now, Kwababa viewers are left shocked after the recent episode of the show. Kukhona lesson le lapho uMakaPahumi khona talking to ubaba kaPahumi, telling him how much she appreciates him for ukuthi wafika empilweni yakhe immediately after show ubaba wengane yakhe, which is uPahumi. We were all like, how? uPahumi is also not Mtaung nganti. So that could mean one thing, ladies and gentlemen, and that would be uZwelakhe noPahumi are siblings. There's a probability, a very high probability that ubaba kaPahumi noZwelakhe wombhebheni nje wabe wasuka mhlambe kuMakaZwelakhe so eshaya iqanda kuMakaZwelakhe wahamba ushaya iqanda kuMakaPahumi, and then that is why lezi ngane lezi ziklikha kanje. That is why they fell in love with each other from the first place, because igazi lezwana, igazi guys necabanga lento lena. So I don't blame us as viewers for thinking about that, but I don't think that would be the case. I think mina bebefuna nje ukuthi bayisenze sibe noma siqhubeke sibuye the Monday episode, maybe coincidence ukuthi lezi ngane lezi zoyithuka zizalwe emndeni besicabanga zala. Now I'm worried ngizozwelakhe laphayana ekhuluma noPahumi saying that because ubaba wakhulisa uPahumi, and I was like, shuthi uPahumi yena uyazi ukuthi ubaba wakhe ayiyena ubaba wakhe. I was so lost. What is happening there, guys? Does this mean ukuthi uPahumi yena uyazazi ukuthi akawuyena wakamTaung sithi uZwelakhe nebekade ngazazi? And I don't know, but I didn't see uZwelakhe noPahumi talking about that. uPahumi etshela uZwelakhe ukuthi hey nama ngiyena wakamTaung. So angazi, and if kuwukuthi uPahumi naye didn't know ukuthi she's not eMtaung, I'm imagining ukuthi how is she going to feel when she finds out. Guys, come on, let us talk about this there on the comment section. Do share your thoughts, share opinions, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed. Also share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. So with all of that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.